Have you ever been stuck trying to document your Python functions only to hit a wall with the return type? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to properly document the return type for a function that returns a generator in PyCharm. I totally get it. Trying to figure out the right syntax for documentation can feel like solving a puzzle without all the pieces. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when documenting their code. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "What should I put for the rtype in my docstring for a function that returns a generator of node?" They mentioned that simply stating generator of node doesn't seem to work. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the deal with the rtype documentation? In Python, when you want to indicate that a function returns a generator, you need to use the correct syntax to ensure clarity and compatibility with tools like PyCharm. Let's break it down. And stick around. I have a handy tip at the end that will make your documentation process smoother and more efficient. To document the return type of a function that yields a generator of node objects, the user should specify the return type in the docstring using the correct syntax. In this case, the user should use the generator type from the typing module. This allows for a clear indication of what the generator yields. Next, the user should ensure that the node class is properly imported or defined in the same module. This is crucial for the type hint to work correctly. Finally, the user can update the docstring to reflect these changes. This will provide clear documentation for anyone using the function. Fun fact, the concept of generators in Python is inspired by the idea of lazy evaluation, which means values are generated only when needed. This can lead to more efficient memory usage. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to use the type hinting feature in PyCharm. You can define the type of the children attribute using the type directive. This allows you to specify that self.children is a dictionary with string keys and node values. Here's how it looks in code. If you prefer to document the return type of the iter method directly, you can use the rtype directive with collections iterable node. This clearly indicates that the method returns an iterable of node objects. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always check your documentation with a linter or an IDE like PyCharm to catch any issues early. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to document your generator functions correctly. Remember, clear documentation is key to maintaining your code. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video where we tackle more Python documentation challenges.